इतना इतना कुछ हाइप करके बैठे थे, अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी लॉस्ट.
Just a little chip which sets him up. Just get a fingertip.
Why actually Man United lost? What went wrong in that final?
Bukayo coming and flapping, but when it lands at the feet of
तो भाई अब वक्त आ चुका है टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग, व्हाई एक्चुअली मैन यूनाइटेड लॉस्ट. आई मीन आई डू हैव अ डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस ऑन इट. उसको अच्छी तरीके से मैंने क्लिप्स को एडिट किया है, द की मोमेंट्स ऑफ दैट मैच, एंड लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग इन दैट फाइनल. इतना कुछ हाइप करके बैठे थे, अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी लॉस्ट, बट लेट्स लर्न फ्रॉम आवर मिस्टेक्स एंड लेट्स गेट राइट ऑन इट. नाउ इफ यू जस्ट लुक एट दिस क्लिप, आई विल जस्ट एडिट इट आउट इन एडिट जहाँ पे आप लोगों को थोड़ा क्लियर दिखे.
Solanke tight to Maguire. It's a steal from Brennan Johnson. Johnson! Thrashed back in by Sarr and Maguire made the...
What are the options he's having? क्या ही है उसके पास ऑप्शन? Best thing he can do is बॉल को क्लियर कर दो यार, because शॉ एक उसके लाइन में है नजदीक में, but he's also getting pressed and probably कीपर को देना it wasn't a safe thing to do, right? So the best thing he could have done is clear the ball, right? Let's find out.
Solanke tight to Maguire. It's a steal from Brennan Johnson. Johnson! Thrashed back in by Sarr and Maguire made the...
क्या बोलूं मैं? I was literally this close live जब देख रहा था मैं. Like how did he decided to even make an attempt to pass to Shaw? I mean, do you understand the capacity of this thing? That even a single slight mistake in the final could have led to a goal. No doubt Onana ने संभाल लिया, and then they also defended that shot that came right outside the box. But that just doesn't justify your decision to make an attempt like that. I mean, you can clearly see उनका जो कीपर है, he is all over the place. मतलब एक क्रॉसेस को उसको पंच करने जाना है. He is far enough from that crowd, but he is making an effort. He is trying to attempt कि भाई इसको तो क्लियर करूँ मैं. इतने सारे attempts हुए थे, but throughout the match मेरे को लग रहा है हार्डली कोई मिस्टेक्स की होगी उसने. Let's talk about the only goal that was scored in this match.
right at the heart of the Man United defence.
On some level it was just a mistake. It wasn't a conscious decision, but it just happened. You can't blame anybody for that, but by the end this is what you need, right? A goal that wins you a match. I mean, what do we have here? Let's see. Definitely a decent cross. I mean, see, for a second at this position you can clearly see that the ball just vanished away, you know. It literally went behind the player. It wasn't meant to be that way. You have a keeper and two defender between. उसके बीच में घुस के ये गोल मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है बंदा. I mean, was there something you could have done with that kind of a tricky ball? Who knows? Of course Onana ने attempt किया to stop it, but unfortunately it was too late and there's nothing you can do about these kind of situations, you know. But the point is उन्होंने score कर दिया, no worries, fair enough, उनके luck में था. Now what you have got to show, you still had 45 minutes, right? And this was just before the half time. Your team obviously had your space to find some loopholes, to change the tactics, to do something, because you had that few minutes in half जहाँ पे आपकी टीम जो है वो पूरी एक साथ आके बातचीत कर सकती है. यू कुड हैव मेड थिंग्स हैपन. आई मीन दिस वन वाज, मेरे को लग रहा है, अनदर गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी जहाँ पे डेफिनेटली गोल हो सकता था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेट यार, यूनाइटेड का क्या ही बोले. दिस कीपर वाज मैन जस्ट नॉट लेटिंग इट गो. एंड लुक एट दिस ऑनलाइन क्लियरेंस मैन, दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन. यू अंडरस्टैंड कि आई मीन आई कैन इमेजिन कि इन्होंने पहले हाफ टाइम में क्या बात की होगी, बिकॉज एक गोल उन्होंने कर दिया है. ऑल दे हैव टू डू इज कीप द बॉल विद देम एंड जस्ट डिफेंड रियली वेल, try to break their counter attacks and just defend really well, and that's exactly what they did throughout the second half. This one really pisses me off. I mean, see, in this one, I think definitely this could have converted into a goal. The timing was so wrong यार. मतलब अगर उसने अपने पास बॉल रख दिया होता, Bruno Fernandes just went for it. I don't know. At this desperate time, you need to be very calm and you know कि अगर उसने बॉल सिर्फ रोक दिया होता, मतलब हमको क्लियरली दिख रहा है कितना स्पेस है यार बॉक्स के अंदर. सिर्फ एक प्लेयर भागता हुआ आ रहा था उसको ब्लॉक करने के लिए. He had Joshua, he had Dorgu, and even Garnacho on very far left. All I'm saying is he could have done something with that ball. Box में at least trap कर दिया होता and could have just passed to a teammate. That could have been a goal. United did so many attempts यार, बहुत सारे attempts किए थे throughout the match, but they just couldn't convert it into a goal. It's a really shame. इतना hype, सब लोग इतने excited थे. Everybody was expecting a win. But you let me know in the comments, what do you think of this match? Did Man United had that potential to win this match, or Tottenham was just good enough to defend them? Alright, so that's it in this video guys. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, then please subscribe to my channel. अभी I have started this on a regular basis और मैं Instagram पे भी रील्स बनाता हूँ. So follow me on Instagram and see you in my next video.